I die, ring the bell. Hit you with my guns, you can't do nothing but yell. And I'm smart as fuck, I got like 110. And you know I'm fighting, stuck my health by red, but now it's pale. If it's something new,
alright, we're about to drive up to a canyon road, or like a little trail, I think. Let's see. This is the whip, interior, and starlights. We got those installed like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I don't know why the quality is not so good. It's like, you can't really see the outside that well. Oh shit. Wait, do I know him? Nah. Bro, I get horrible gas mileage in this. I get like, let's see, 11.3. That's not good. I mean, you can kind of see the view better from here when I'm up close like this. But when I go back, then you can't see. Oh shit, red light. It's gonna wait. Okay. Oh shit, school zone. Bro, 2 Cybertrucks back to back, G-Wagons. That's how you know you in a wealthy area, bro. Oh shit, there be cops posted up out here. Like the motorcycle cops and them regular cops too, so I gotta chill out. Are we almost at the spot? Oh, bro, this is why I hate these goddamn intersections that got the little yielding, because they can't even see you coming, bro, and they just be turning. What if I was flying down that road? Bro, these goddamn yielding intersections, I hate this shit. This is the most dangerous fucking street known to man, bro. Oh shit, the speed limit is 25. Let's chill out. Sorry, officer, my car's not fast. It's just loud.
Can you shut the fuck up?
And that's how it be most. Got their GTR just casually parked outside. And I don't know if this is a one-way street because all the cars are facing this way. Bro, I know these are for sure like sleeper houses, bro. Like outside looks normal, but the inside about to be crazy. Oh fuck, danger, caution. Wait, where am I going? Bro. Fucking take me to. Bro. Go ahead, what's up?
Drive
I don't think so. I was gonna do like a video like just driving up the hills, but
no.
I don't think so.
Do you know how to get to the park where they have a lake or what's the name? Like it's like
Franklin Canyon Trail? It says it's up there. That's where I was gonna go, but should we just try it? I don't know if there's security up there. It just says like not a through straight. Huh? I don't know.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, let's try.
All right, chat. We got some baddies behind me following me.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, buddy.
Or leading them to the trail. I mean, I think we're supposed to drive up here. I think we can. Pretty sure. Worst case, we get pulled over by cops. Best case, we discover a new road. Is it that one up there?
I think it says to go straight.
More down? Okay.
Yeah, it's 5 minutes away.
Let's say.
Okay.
Yo, this is kind of a nice road. Is this a setup? Does she have her goons waiting for me? Yeah, I'm kind of scared, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, let's say. Yo, chat, I'm kind of scared, bro.
Bruh.
This shit seemed like a setup. Chat, I'm fucking shitting my pants, bro.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Alright, we gotta slow down a little bit, because what the f? More up there? More up there? Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm done. Bro, I'm kind of scared.
Bye, Felicia.
Bro, that was the weirdest interaction I think I've ever had. This is the car though. Shit sound kind of wet. Excuse the sun. I could look, just go down there and make a video. Yeah, I could look, just record a little something right here. This is my CLS 06 CLS500. I don't even know where I'm at, to be honest. Oh shit, y'all heard that? This is the car on 20-inch rims, carbon fiber side skirts. You can see the stars on the roof. Oh shit, almost fell down.
Oh my God! Wow!
But yeah, this is it. Reliability wise, it's not too bad. Haven't had any major issues come up with it just yet, besides basic maintenance like oil changes and stuff like that, and then the filters. So and then it is straight piped, not too loud, like just cruising, but when you step on it, like you'll hear it. Exhaust. Interior's a little dirty, but that's a nice spot. Got my headlights fixed, so that shit looks kind of good now. Let's get some clips.
Stop playing with them, I play deep in the stairs, and I'm in the depths. If I
was saying, car's been pretty reliable. Like no major issues. Make sure you stay on top of the oil changes and all the other fluids. These engines aren't known to have like any crazy issues. Like I know the newer engines like the M278s, the 2012 S550s and CLSs and all that, the twin turbo ones, they have like a bunch of issues you should watch out for. But these older ones, pretty simple. Nothing too crazy, nothing to it. But yeah, I got new tires in the back, or semi-new tires. I don't know, I'm starting to like these rims. I just wish I had better fitment. Want it more flush. But other than that, can't complain too much. Head unit right there has CarPlay and everything. Stars, my favorite part. Yeah, stars are definitely my favorite part about this whole car. And it's even got some like in here. Damn, look at them trees. Wait, where do I go? Let's see. Oh shit, turn right.
Bruh. Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.